Creating new citations in Noodletools is really easy if you're using the databases from the school. So let me show you really quickly how it's done. If you are using any of the Gale databases, they have a very easy link that you can use to import those citations. So if this is the article you are interested in importing, go to the Tools section and click on Citation Tools and export this to Noodletools. A page will pop up just confirming this is what you want to import. Make sure it's going to the right project and just click Import References. And what you'll see when you go back to Noodletools, let's refresh the page, is that the citation automatically appears. Now, if you're looking at another database and it doesn't have that feature, there's another way that you can import it very easily. So let's say I'm in EBSCO and I want this magazine article in my citation source page. Again, all I have to do is click the Cite tool over here and select the citation. Now, they don't have an export feature to Noodletools, so what I'm going to do is just copy this citation, go back to my Noodletools account, click Create New Citation. This is a database, and it's coming from a magazine, so I have to select those. And then you'll see Copy and Paste Citation right here. So click on that, and what you'll do is you'll just paste the citation in the space right there, and then save it. And then that will appear again as another citation. So use one of these two strategies for creating your new citations in Noodletools from the databases. If you are using Google and you're on the free web, you'll have to import this information by hand, but the databases make it very easy to create these citations on your source page.